pilots, and today I'm flying at Stork. Nice location in Utrecht, never flown before, but had a nice trip. Only had 2 packs, so I had 1 warm-up and now my final pack.
Last.
I got my eyes open wide to the ceiling. I'm lying on my back in the center of a room. I've got a voice giving me a funny feeling. It's telling me the world's gonna end real soon. I've gotta get a job, otherwise I'm unappealing. Do my little dance for the man and consume. So I let my energy build for the healing, so I can rain down with my supersonic boom. I'm healed down, but I fall with my way to the top. All clouded and the pressure won't rise. On a mission to the sky with the stars in my eyes, and the weather won't compromise. Like a ball on a chain that is strapped to my brain. I'm a prisoner inside of my dreams. So I will appreciate the future of a day where the clouds open up and scream. And I said now, ain't gonna spend my time wondering why I never made it, no. Oh, I never made it, I never made it. I ain't gonna spend my days thinking about why I never made it. Like the pages of a novel at the bottom of the shelf, I grew stiff yet I keep my pride. Like the one raindrop in the center of a rose, I'm in heaven with the world outside. Like another metaphor to describe my vibe, just a vessel for my conscious needs. So I will appreciate the future of a day where the clouds open up and scream. And I sing now, ain't gonna spend my time wondering why I never made it, no. I never made it, I never made it. I ain't gonna spend my days thinking about